If you're watching this video, you're most likely interested in learning how you can make your first $100 with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, what I do basically is to promote ClickBank offers or any other affiliate offers. Let's say, for instance, we was taking this offer, Leptotox. The number one product in ClickBank has a gravity of 533. That basically means that's 533 different people who recently made a sale promoting this product. Pays out $70 initial sale. It doesn't have a rebuild, but it does have upsells because I promote this offer myself. As you can see on my stats, initial sales I made 648, including upsells I made 336, so that's almost $1,000 promoting this product. And yeah, basically what I do is take offers similar to this and go over to my favorite traffic source, which is Bing. I will set up simple text ads similar to this. All you really need is just literally just some ad copy right here, similar to this, and a set of keywords you want to target to basically make this work. And only tool that you're gonna need, or the best part about this is you don't need a website builder, you don't need an email list, you don't need none of that stuff. Literally just the tracking tool. Tracking tool is like the most important part to it all, because how bad would it be if you set up an ad targeting this keyword, all these related searches as well, with no tracking tool? You just spending $100 a day on something when only one keyword has been getting you to sale every day. That means, like, say for instance, all of these keywords you was spending $15 a day on, and only one of these keywords is getting you a sale. You wouldn't know that unless you had tracking set up. And if you don't have it set up, you're gonna be throwing a lot of money down the drain. So this is the only tool that I recommend for making this work, and it's only about $27 per month. That little $27 per month can save you thousands in the long run. So the only thing that, like I said, the only thing you really gonna need to make this work is your tracking tool. And what I decided to create to help a lot of you guys out that's new to ClickBank, haven't really seen any success, I created a mini course specifically for ClickBank and Bing, where I basically show you how to set up direct link campaigns, start to finish. Very, very easy to do. You got this. You could literally get this course, and within 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can have your first campaign set up and ready to roll. So I will leave a link below this video where you can get access to this mini course for only $7. A lot of students have already been getting results with this. As you can see, I got some testimonials on here, and I actually need to update the page because a few people that brought the course are already getting results with it. So yeah, I need to update this after this video. Yeah, man, a lot of y'all, if y'all been in the space of ClickBank, affiliate marketing, CPay marketing, and just doing other research on other make money online strategies, you probably already seen my channel before, already know who I am, maybe even be subscribed to it, watch a few of my videos. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what I do, is promote my own offers, other affiliate offers, and I make a full-time income from doing that with paid traffic and organic traffic. But right now, my favorite traffic strategy is Bing, using Bing ads, setting up simple direct link campaigns. And a lot of people, they can't afford, these expensive courses that gurus be selling you for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, that teach you, kind of like basic information. They just really just trying to get some money off you. But I want to help people out, man, especially during these times, during the Corona stuff. I want to make an affordable mini course that anybody can go and take action on and see their first $100 online, or maybe you even seen $100 online, just want to make more consistent sales. This mini course can definitely put you in the right direction. And also, to help you out even more, when you go to the checkout page, I have a upsell for extra $27 where I will throw in 3 done for you campaigns I use to make sales. And actually, this offer is one of the done for you campaigns. I can get that away. I give away the ads, the keywords, and everything else that you're gonna need, where it's literally just copy and paste. And yeah, you can have that stuff set up in probably 10-15 minutes tops. And it includes 2 other done for you campaigns. Mind you, all 3 of these done for you campaigns I made sales with, so I'm not just putting together something and just giving it away just for the sake of it and for extra money and stuff. I'm really here to help. And I'm also leave a link below so you can subscribe to my channel if you're new. Yeah, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave it down in the comment section below. I reply to everybody. But yeah, man, that's pretty much all I got for this video, and I will see y'all on the inside.